Greetings everyone, I am Binu from first year biotechnology, and today this code I'm going to be explaining, and it is about the this code basically checks whether a sample is healthy or mutated based on the frequency of the mutation. If it we should actually it takes input as frequency, like as you can see here, enter the mutation frequency. Basically this is what we should which the user should give the input. So yeah, like if it is below 0.05, 0.005, it is healthy, it is going to print healthy, otherwise it's going to print mutated. Basically that is the core function of our code here. So basically it starts like all the other codes by hashtag include stdio.h. std stands for standard input output dot header. So here also it's int main because integer is a main value here, like main form of is a main, integer is a main. So float mutation frequency we gave because it is in what we call float type, it has decimals. So like basically that is how we start. We write printf first, printf, and inside the brackets we write enter the mutation frequency, and when we run, I mean, it will be visible like this as it's shown here. And then scanf is basically the input provided by the user. So like when we write this is basically that function is for the users. Then in this we are using if else statement. If the mutation frequency is 0.005, it is going to print healthy, else it is going to print mutated. And yeah, that is basically what it's going to print. And we're going to end the program by return 0 and with curly brackets on. So this is how like the code is written. So like I'll show you by running it. So for example, if the frequency is 0.003, as you can see it is showing it's healthy because it is lesser than 0.005. But what if we write, if the input is 0.008, it shows mutated. So therefore like this is how the program is going to execute. And I hope everyone understood by my explanation. Thank you very much.